This machine is equipped with a Kubota 3-cylinder water-cooled engine. Now, let me introduce to you the maintenance process of this machine. Please open this when it's time to change the engine oil. The oil drain screw for the engine is located at the bottom of the machine. The engine's oil filter is located at this position. This is the air filter for the engine. This is the diesel filter for the engine. The water tank filling port of the engine is located beneath this cover plate. During work, the condition of the hydraulic oil can be checked through the hydraulic oil level gauge. Open the side cover. This is the filling port for hydraulic oil. It uses 46 grade anti-wear hydraulic oil. On the right side of the hydraulic oil filling port is the diesel filling port. The battery is located inside the side panel on the right side of the machine. The red part is the positive electrode and the black part is the negative electrode. This is the maintenance method for HY30. Have you learned it? If you have any questions, please leave a message for me.